Jacinda, the wind is pushing me backwards. Did you see that?
Did you see me dive for this?
Yeah.
I completely missed.
This wind is crazy. Jacinda, this wind is crazy. So we're at Jacinda's mom's friend's house, and the wind is horrible. It's pretty fun to play in right now.
Blew me up on the roof.
Something pushed me against a car.
Put your cars back.
You're so stupid.
She got your hat. Oh my gosh, Jacinda! The wind! Hang on. Right here. See? The wind is horrible! I'm gonna fly away! Just another one stopped for a minute. Oh goodness, this wind is good. My hands are freezing, just in the.
So I'm gonna get in the car. I'll race you.
No! Where's that? Going dress shopping for Jacinda. Oh my gosh.